Hi, I'm Chris Barrett, an SE here at InfoVista. We'd like to talk to you today about the importance of being able to control inbound flows from the internet and to apply inbound quads from WAN, the internet in this case, to LAN, and prioritise and protect your business critical applications over all of the background noise. With recent events, remote working has become the new normal, and we've gone from having a branch office with say 100 users to having 100 branch offices with one user. Myself and a couple of the other SEs have created a short video to show you how we can use our Ipanema SD-WAN product in our home offices and protect a UC call using Teams on a congested link and improve user experience, maybe even making a call possible where it wasn't before. What we'd like to show you here is how we use an IP Engine 30 at a home office location here to control and improve the quality of a Teams call. I've got my two colleagues in France here, Gerald and Haiying, in our Paris office, and you can see that the quality of the call, the video is okay. Guys, can you hear me? What's the weather like in Paris today?
Yeah, hi Chris. So I cannot hear you very well. In fact, it's a bit shaky, and the video is not good, and your voice is from time to time. So I'm really sorry because I wanted to share a video with you. So I'm not sure that we will be able to do this call. So let me try to share the video with you, and we will try to make it. Although you have a connection problem. So the video is running now, and I'm gonna put the sound.
Leader planning retreat, and he has this 2-year-old baby.
So what we can see here is that the quality of the call is really bad. So from my perspective, we've got a connection
we live in
going out
Nashville,
from
so
my
she has a
home
little
office here
southern
out to the
accent that's
internet.
developing.
Single connection,
As
single ending. What we're going to do is we're going to ask Haiying at the remote end to apply the control for us to prioritize our Teams call and the individual elements, the voice codec and the video elements over the background noise. So my site is showing constraints at the minute. We're seeing congestion, and what you could see there was that the audio was really quite bad from the guys. So Haiying, if you could change the priority for us to put the audio codec and the video to a higher priority, that would be great. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, actually, I can hear you very badly, Chris, but I suppose that you asked me to change the QoS configuration, so I will do it. So now I'm on my screen. As you can see in this site matrix, I can see, Chris, your site has a strong congestion problem at this moment, as the AQS, the application quality score, is very bad, and you are congested in the 1-2 LAN way. And if I open the dashboard of your site, I can do some analysis of your traffic flow at this moment. So you have a lot of traffic that is qualified under the application group of a Microsoft meeting video. I can see you are receiving, you are transmitting some traffic of the meeting camera, video camera, and at the same time you are receiving some traffic from the screen sharing. Also, all the audio codecs are recognized, such as RED and Silk from Microsoft Teams. Now, to resolve your problem, I will go to the application configuration. Now I go to the application groups. So as we can see here, all the application groups are configured with the same criticality, which is the medium. What I will do is just to apply the top criticality to the VoIP so that the Teams voice will be protected at first. And then for the Microsoft meeting video, I will put the high criticality, so it will still be prioritized compared to the other applications. And then at last, I will click on the update button. So as you can see here, that I just did a single click in each application group, and the QoS configuration will be applied to all the appliances in our domain. So compared to other vendors, what you can see here is that we don't have such a thing as a QoS template for each site. We just globally apply the QoS configuration, and will be centralized and pushed to all the devices in our network. So Chris?
Thank you, Haiying. I don't know if people see it, but like 10 seconds ago, I suddenly see the image from Chris being crisp, and sharp, and now I can see it moving very nicely, and I suppose that Chris can now hear us and we can hear.
Yeah, same from my side. Yeah, so
yeah, I can hear you well, gents.
Sure.
So the call quality has got much better, and I can now have a normal conversation with you. So thank you.
Okay, so maybe Gerard, we will reshare your screen now to see if we have a better quality to confirm
Yes,
it.
I can reshare my screen so you can see my my slides now that I wanted to show you about the application control. And if I move the slide to the other one, you should also see the other slide quite easily. Okay, Chris, is it okay on your side to see the slides?
I can see the slides. They look nice and clear. Thank you.
Okay, good. So I can stop the sharing here, and yeah, we can just get to a conclusion. I let you go to the conclusion.
Okay, so the conclusion is that Haiying has nicely organized and prioritized the VoIP codec for us, so that our call is now clear. You can hear that it wasn't breaking up as it was when the traffic was congested and we had the high congestion on the link. So by a simple couple of clicks there on Haiying's side, he's adjusted and reprioritized the audio codec so we can have a clear call as opposed to a garbled call that we had before. So this is much more manageable from our site office here, controlling inbound traffic from the internet. Thank you, Haiying.
Thank you, Chris. Thank you,
Thank you. So just to give a summary of what we've observed, QoS, especially inbound, is even more important today than ever before. We are using more and more internet connectivity to access SaaS applications, not only for people working in the office, but also remote workers who are now working from home. Inbound QoS management is essential because inbound traffic is where the congestion is prone to occur, affecting the user experience. With the capacity to recognize all SaaS applications and with expertise in Microsoft Teams, but also other web meeting tools such as GoToMeeting or Zoom, the Ipanema SD-WAN solution differentiates by providing unique, fine-grained visibility and inbound QoS management in a simple and global way for any user anywhere. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video today. We hope you found it interesting.